with you.
Hey, you're back. Hey, check this out. Today we're doing pizzas, right? Gourmet pizzas. We're gonna be using naan bread, right? When my girls are younger, even now as they're older, they're adults, they still enjoy a naan bread pizza because you can put whatever you want on it. You make it yourself. It only takes 5 to 10 minutes to cook it. I know you're gonna enjoy this. Look at this. This is not nice, right? And this is just sausage and pepperoni. Just the basics at its best. But it is enjoyable. I know you're going to love this. Try it for your little ones. Hey, try it for yourself. Watch this. Hey, this is Shrashira. That is the best elevator music I ever heard. And this is real simple. So we have 2 pieces of naan bread here. 2 pieces of naan bread. Have our mozzarella cheese. Right? Have our pepperoni slices. We have our tomato sauce. Right? This is in this particular case, is a gourmet tomato basil sauce. And then we have our sausage, just regular round breakfast sausage. Now let's put it together. What you want to do, right, put a nice heap in the middle and spread it. Leaving roughly about 1 inch from the edge, right? Because as it cooks, it's going to spread out. Okay, so let's do this to the other one. Now, you can put as much or as little of the tomato sauce on it as you want. It's completely up to you. Okay. There we go. Now we're going to add a little cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese. Just put a light cover on it at first. Alright. Now we're going to add some sausage. And this sausage, I'm quite a fan of sausage, so, pause on that. But on my pizzas, you know what I'm saying? Sausage on there. Now we're going to add some more cheese just to kind of lock the sausage in place. You don't need a lot, but when it melts, I want it to hold the sausage. Now we're going to put our pepperoni on it. And again, you can put as much or as little as you like. It's up to you. All right. I'm putting some more in. I got 2 more slices. I'm gonna go for it. And then you want to put some cheese on top of that to lock that in place when it cooks. Now I have more cheese and stuff, but this is all I'm going to be using. So now we're going to put this in a preheated 400-degree oven, right? And we're going to start off with 5 minutes. We're going to give it a look. All right, let's get this bad boy in here. Center. .400-degree oven. Let's go. Let's see what we got here after 5 minutes. See that? Not quite right, right? I need more browning on the edges. So we're gonna put it back in. For another 5 minutes. See what we got. Let's see what we got now. 10 minutes. Oh, this looks nice. Look at that. Yeah, turn this guy off. Let's get ready to plate up. Alright, so here we go. It's real simple, real easy naan bread pizza. You know, the kids love it. You can put it together real quick. And if you try this recipe, I know you're going to enjoy it. Because you can put whatever you want to on these things. And the naan bread is the perfect pizza dough. Right? Even though it's already, you know, pretty much pre-cooked, all you do is warming it up, which again is a bonus. Definitely try this out. Try it out. If you like it, give me a comment. You know, share it out. I definitely give me a comment, right? Because I want to hear what you think about it. Right? That being said, this Shrashira, I am out. Because I'm going to eat this. Oh yeah, hey, follow me on Instagram so you can see what's coming up next. I'm hungry. Let me get this.